the easiest method to make money online today. If you've been wanting to make money online, but you've got no idea where to start, then listen up. I consistently bring home 4 figures every single day, and I'm gonna show you step by step right now. So the first thing that you want to be doing is going and getting your affiliate link from an affiliate marketing network. There's a ton out there. Some of the big ones are ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. Then what you want to be doing is utilizing YouTube because it's completely for free. Once you've got your YouTube account, what you want to do is 3 different types of things. It depends on you. If the product that you want to be promoting is a physical product, then you want to reach out to the vendor, get them to send you the actual item and do an unboxing video. Upload that to YouTube with your affiliate link in the description. Now, if it's a software that you're promoting, well then gain access to that, review access, go in, record your screen, show around the different parts and upload that to YouTube with your affiliate link in the description. And then your other option is to utilize AI software to your advantage. A lot of them are free. Maybe you'll have to pay a little bit of money for some. Then all you do is utilize that software to create the video for you, put subtitles, voiceovers, colors, graphics, everything is done for you. That's how advanced the AI can be now. So that's what I would do. YouTube will find the views for you once you upload. Just make sure that you're putting the correct keywords and then you will have the best possible chance of ranking. Now, if you want an even easier way to make money online, actually the method that I'm using and have had great success with, then go ahead and click the link in my bio because you'll find completely free training on exactly how we do it.